Here we go then with another one. Back in the Brecon Beacons, straight onto the ascent, Lord Hereford's Knob. So Lord Hereford's Knob, strange name, but that's what it's called, and it's in the Brecon Beacons National Park, part of the Black Mountains range, 2,260 feet. It's actually another summit, this is on the map, known as Darren Lwyd. Little geology fact of the day then for Lord Hereford's Knob. Mudstone and sandstone rock, and apparently the lower parts consist of mudstone and the upper parts are sandstone rock. There's a bit of blue sky and lovely views down into the valley there. Lovely when you get a bit of hazy sunshine coming through. Lovely to feel that on your back. But yeah, it's also known as the Twmpa or the Thumper, this mountain. Makes a change from the old rocks under your feet, that, doesn't it? On an ascent now to another little peak called Pasture, apparently. So let's push on. I think I'm going to catch a 10 or 15 minutes break there. You had a break yet, and I'm 3.5 miles in. Let's get a nice little break, get some energy. So peaceful. Onto the mountain path now. Been on it for about a good 10 minutes now. Or back on it, I should say. Aye. Reminds me of the southwest coast up after this. I don't mind it to Porlock Wood. Formed around 420 million years ago, Lord Hereford's knob, in a period known as the Devonian period. So this is the summit of Pasture. This is, and just over to the screen right there, that's Lord Hereford's knob, which we'll venture to next, and hopefully get the drone out as well. So you can really see that slope, can't you? And if you remember on my last video, May Hill, in the distance you could really see that slope. That's what's the defining feature of this mountain. Look at the slope there. And it's the name originates from the Lord of Hereford, and as I say, it's also known as the Twmpa, which I believe means small mound. Oh, it'd be interesting to know what the elevation gain is on this last little bit here. Let's have a look. 1,100 feet of elevation gain now. Right, so 1,267 feet, so 167 feet of elevation gain, that last bit was. So we can just about make out Fanny Big there in the dead centre of the screen, and just beyond that, covered by the clouds, is the highest point, Penny Fan. That's the south, Brecon Beacons. Superb.
Tell me if you want ramen. Ramen? No, I don't want it. Railway crossing. And the speed cameras, if you want, you can have it. You go slow as you like. I think that's still in my bag.
There you go then, that's the summit of Lord Hereford's knob. Peace. So apparently a song was written about it, Lord Hereford's Knob, by a band called Half Man, Half Biscuit. And it was in 2008 apparently. I remember that band when I was at school in the 80s. Half Man, Half Biscuit. Didn't even know they were still around. So yeah, there's a song about this mountain apparently. And there it is in all its glory. Not going to say it again what it is. Yeah, that's the sun. Here comes the sun. Well, what me Paul McCartney about? On our way to a peak called Pasture. Fucking Pasture's new. If only I.